we start the name of God. After that, may peace and prayers be upon all messengers and prophecies, prophets and messengers and angels. After the opening prayers, it is another time and our Somali learning program. Still, we are in the midst our very important chapter and the Somali Pronunciation Guide. We haven't finished it yet. Still, we haven't finished it. I would like to give you N and vowel. N and vowels and N, how they may possibly interact in the Somali wording. Like we did before, we simply place short or long vowel before and after N, right? N and vowel. Let's place foot the short one after the N itself. It is na, ne, ni, no, nu. Let's now place or put the long one after the N itself. We have said the placing short vowel after the N, it is na, ne, ni, no, nu. The long ones shall be like this: na, ne, ni, no, nu. Let's now place the short one before the N itself. And in, on, un, and in, on, un. The long ones and in, on, un. Very simple, right? So now let's study how to make the letter N in the Somali language. Not like ta, da, ra, sa, ba, la. We simply place our tongue on the two front teeth, right? Please look at my mouth, how I'm making N in the Somali. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. And in, on, un. an, en, in, on, un. So examples include naag, nacas, naawilaad, nabad, naar, nimco, nugaal, nugaal, neef, and so on. So we stop the end lesson there. Until next lesson, goodbye.